Subscribe Akash Technical and press the bell icon to get the new videos instantly. Hello friends all, welcome to my channel Akash Technical. So let's get started. So today in this video I will show you the unboxing of Redmi 6, which is recently launched by Xiaomi. So continue watching this video till end. I will show you the unboxing video of Redmi 6 and I will highlight the special features of Redmi 6. So let's get started. Here is the box of Redmi 6, which is recently launched by Xiaomi. Here is written as India #1 brand, and here is the MI logo. So we will see the box highlights. Here is the rear dual camera, which is 12+5 megapixel. Here this phone is consist of 12nm chipset, that is MediaTek Helio P20. Here is 5.45 inch screen, and here is also fingerprint sensor. So let's unbox this phone. As I had unboxed it earlier, so I am not unboxing it in this video. Let's open this box. After opening this box, we will get this phone in the front of the box. We will see the phone later in this video. We will check the box contents. Here is the warranty card and SAR value cards, and here is one power adapter. So here is a black color power adapter. Its rating is 5 volt and 2 ampere. Here is a data cable, and below that here is a SIM ejector tool. So we will keep aside this box and we will check the phone. As I am using this phone for 3 days, so I had booted it earlier. So let's check the phone. So let's talk about the physical overview of this phone. Here is the front camera, here is a micro piece, and here is the proximity sensor. The front panel of this phone is white color, and it is 5.45 inch screen, and at the top of the phone there is a secondary microphone, and here is a 3.5mm jack. In the back panel of the phone, here is a vertically oriented dual camera setup. Here is a LED flash, here is the fingerprint sensor, and here is the loudspeaker. And in the below bottom of the phone, here is the charger port, and here is the main microphone. And in the side of the phone, here is the SIM tray. It consists of hybrid SIM. You can use 2 SIM and 1 SD card. And there is one good news also. This phone supports 2 Geo SIMs, that is 2 4G LTE SIM. And here is the volume rocker bottom, and here is the power key. So let's check the fingerprint sensor, how fast it is. So you can see that the fingerprint sensor is very fast in MI's phone. Okay, let's check the OS in which it is running. So we have to click on the settings option, and you have to go to the about phone, and here you can see that the model number is Redmi 6 and it is running on the MIUI version 9.6.1. Here the RAM of this phone is 3GB and its ROM is 32GB, and here it is 9.6.9, and it also gets an update, that is system update. Here is available. I will show you later on next video how have to update this in this Redmi 6. So let's check the camera quality. As you can see that the rear camera is dual, so we will check the rear camera quality. Okay, so let's check the quality of the camera. So here in this, here in front of my phone there is a model. So I am clicking one photo and I will give you the sample of this photo. Okay, I am clicking one portrait shot. I will showing you. Please wait. Okay, you can see that the portrait mode is very good, and you can see that there is a defocusing occurring in the background of the object. Okay, this is the unboxing video of this Redmi 6. In the next video I will show you the comparison video between the Redmi 6 and Redmi Y. If the video is good, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. So stay tuned.